It's apple time! Yay! What's this? What's this? Apple time. Te! Ikuha ni, te. Ikuha ni, i-slice. Dali. It's apple time! Slice sa ate will slice it first. Come on. Come on. Slice, slice, slice. Wapa. Nag-slice pa si ate. Ate, slicing pa. Look. Lati. He wants to eat apple. Ito nga na, day. He wants to eat apple. Wala, awas mong likod. Apple. Apple time. Gaatang ang bata. Baby, come. Come to mommy. You wanna eat apple? Huh? You want to eat apple? You want to eat apple? Kuway dyan na, dapat lang. Oh, apa, wala may apple si mommy, eh. Apla lang siya. Max, come here. Okay, apple is coming. The apple is coming. Apple is coming. You down lang. Down, daddy, down.
Oh my God.
Apple. Oops. Mommy will get. Here. Oops. Wait a minute. Oh, agaray. Apple. Ooh. Oh, that's so yummy, Max. Yummy. Oh, finish? Another one. All right, very good. Oh, so crunchy, huh? So crunchy. No more. Oh, there are still. Here. Wow, so yummy, the apple. Oh, Max is only eating apple in the house. Oh. Whoops. No more. More. Oh, that's 3. Oh, yes. Urot na yun, eh. Okay. Oh, up. Come on, up. Come on, baby. Up, baby. Apple is here. Up, come on, up, stand up. Oop. Oh, yes. Come on. You want some apple? And then you get the apple. You get it. Ah. Up. Up. Oh, whoop. Up, baby. Come on, up. Up. Oh, good boy. Last one. Turn around. Yeah. Okay, that's the last one. No more. No more apple. Okay, good boy. Come. Come. Oh, no more na. No more. See? Oh, no more. Oh, ate. No more. Yay! Ato pag ang ate, no more na. Bye. Thank you, ate. Thank you. No more apple.